Imagine you've created the perfect Notion template. It's sleek, organized, and solves a real problem for people. You've poured hours into it, crafting every detail to perfection. Now, the big question is, where do you sell it? Selling Notion templates can be a lucrative way to monetize your skills and creativity. But with so many platforms and marketplaces out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll explore some of the best places to sell your Notion templates and maximize your earnings. Platform 1. Notion Marketplace. The most obvious place to start is the Notion Marketplace itself. This official platform is dedicated to showcasing and selling Notion templates, making it a great place to reach a targeted audience. Here's what you need to know. Benefits. Directly reaches Notion's user base. Easy to set up and manage. Potential for high visibility. Drawbacks. High competition. Notion takes a commission on sales. Platform 2. Gumroad. Gumroad is a popular platform for selling digital products, including Notion templates. It offers a flexible and customizable platform with various features to help you promote and sell your templates. Benefits. Customizable storefront. Multiple payment options. Detailed analytics. Drawbacks. Requires a bit more setup. May need to do more marketing. Platform 3. Etsy. While Etsy is primarily known for handmade goods, it also has a thriving market for digital products, including Notion templates. If you're already selling other digital products on Etsy, it might be a good option to consider. Benefits. Large and diverse audience. Established platform with trust. Potential for cross-selling. Drawbacks. May need to adapt your template to fit Etsy's aesthetic. Competition can be fierce. Platform 4. Creative Market. Creative Market is a popular marketplace for designers and creatives, offering a wide range of digital assets, including Notion templates. If you're targeting a more design-focused audience, this platform could be a great fit. Benefits. High-quality community. Curated marketplace. Potential for higher prices. Drawbacks. Strict quality standards. Can be difficult to get approved. Platform 5. Your own website. If you have a website or blog, consider selling your Notion templates directly through your own platform. This gives you complete control over the sales process and allows you to build a more personalized relationship with your customers. Benefits. Full control over sales process. No fees or commissions. Potential for higher margins. Drawbacks. Requires more marketing and website maintenance. May take longer to build an audience. Additional tips for selling Notion templates. Create high-quality templates. The quality of your template will directly impact its success. Make sure it's well-designed, functional, and solves a real problem for your target audience. Optimize your listings. Write compelling descriptions, use high-quality images, and include relevant keywords to make your templates more discoverable. Build an audience. Promote your templates on social media, forums, and other online communities. Consider creating a newsletter or blog to build a loyal following. Offer excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and provide helpful support. A positive customer experience can go a long way in building trust and reputation. Consider bundling or upselling. Offer additional products or services to increase your average order value. For example, you could bundle your template with a complementary product or offer customization options. Choosing the right platform to sell your Notion templates depends on various factors, including your target audience, the type of template you're selling, and your overall marketing strategy. By carefully considering these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can increase your chances of success and monetize your Notion templates effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.